first.
All right.
Hey guys, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Excellent. Tell me what you want to do and we'll get to it.
I'm like obsessed with my hands. I think they look really wrinkly. Is there anything to tighten them? Just so they make my hands look longer.
And now that you got that ring to show off.
I know.
Yeah, I can fix that, but they're going to be so shell-shocked with the ring, they're just not going to even pay attention to anything else.
And I have a scar on my toe that I really want you to look at.
It's easy. We're going to laser it off. It works for this, it works for stretch marks.
Really?
Yeah.
What is
And-
Jonathan gonna do? Since he's here, I need to
Jonathan.
torture him.
Yes.
I got freaking stretch marks from growing so fast because I was like this and then I went.
Yes.
And I'm the one that's scared to do anything.
Stretch marks and love handles.
They're not that bad. They're like handles.
Yes. We're going to have you change into a gown and we get started in no time.
All right.
Laser number one coming in.
One,
Laser two. Oh my god.
one more.
Ready for takeoff.
Yours.
I don't know how I get myself into this. Can I show you sister?
Yes, please. Jonathan, also known as the hose holder.
Yeah, thanks.
You're going to keep it cold. Pay attention.